All right. Hi, I'm Chris Moreno. We're live here at Blueprint. Amazing conference, amazing innovators and leaders. And I'm here with my friend, Tom Byrne from Crow Holdings, one of the most prolific firms in the nation, from development to ownership, management, and investing. So how much do you have under AUM now?
The Crow Holdings has about $30 billion of assets under management.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have high regard for you all, the different things you're doing, some of the spaces you're really diving into. I'd love to hear what's exciting for you right now in digital space, and maybe something you've seen here at Blueprint.
Yeah, well, so I'll give you a little background on Crow. So
Right.
We've been in the business 75 years as an innovator and a team that really values partnership, focused on real estate. And about 2.5 years ago, the firm made a commitment to go into venture capital and seek innovation in technology. And that's really exciting. I joined the team about 2 years ago to co-head that with Ellie Feingold.
Right.
And so we're making great strides, finding great companies here at Blueprint and other places, and really excited about the way the market's setting up for innovation.
I think I have to hand it to you and Ellie. Your team is very helpful to founders, very supportive in the early stages, which is really important, being a founder myself. So I'd love to hear, is there a hot take you have, or maybe a hot take you've seen here that really stands out in your mind that maybe most people don't agree with?
Yeah, well, I think the hot take, and we're really excited about the green shoots and the way the market's setting up for new companies.
Yeah.
But the real hot take for us is there's been 2.5, 3 years of really challenging time for startup companies, as you know.
Yeah.
And the companies that have managed efficiently through that are really coming out the other side leaner, smarter, and better able to serve the community. So we're seeing lots of opportunities with companies that in some cases are 4, 5, and 10 years old that have now finally figured out through a downturn where they really fit in the market, and they're driving innovation. So we're really excited about what's coming.
Great.
And excited to play a part.
So it's something, because I'm hearing there's been some pessimism over the last year, especially in real estate and PropTech. It sounds like, though, you're an optimist.
I'm an optimist.
Right.
I think you'll agree with this, that innovation doesn't happen in a straight line.
Mm-hmm.
And these downturns or these setbacks really are a reset opportunity for a lot of companies and the clients. So the clients in real estate, as you know, have been a little more quiet. They've been consolidating their solutions.
Yeah.
And now it's really reemerging that people rate cut yesterday, as we all know.
Yeah.
Everyone's kind of now thinking, where are they going in the future? They're getting ready for that emerging growth. And so innovation and technology are what's going to enable that to happen.
Great. Anything else you want to share with the team or the audience as a takeaway?
Well, I moderated a panel yesterday, and we were talking about big trends. And I mean, I think it's probably worthwhile. I mean, everyone knows about interest rates and the compression in the transaction market. But a couple of the big trends that people are really excited about, this really tough labor market, how to find good workers.
Yep.
Well, there's technology solutions happening that's going to solve that. The need for energy, I mean, between data centers and everything else, energy is going to be a big topic for the next 10 years.
Yeah.
And then I heard you talking with Ian earlier. I mean, AI, there's the promise of AI and the tool that it's going to help solidify and drive insights out of the data that all these companies have. It will be a tool. There will be a lot of confusion and commotion until we figure out the solutions. But those three macro trends are being talked about a lot and will drive a lot of innovation.
I think we agree a lot on the thesis. Labor markets, we need hardware, software, robotics to help. AI and data is definitely having its moment. So it's time. Thank you, Tom, for joining.
Thank you, Chris, for having me.
Look see forward. You soon.
Okay.
Cheers.